Femi Fani Kayode, I'm calling you out right now. You are the biggest hypocrite in this country. The worst that any country can experience. So you mean as of today, you are a member of the APC. The same Buhari you castigate, call all sort of names, call animal, call a beast, call a murderer. Today is become a saint in your eyes. Where is your value? Where's your integrity? Fani Kayode, you are the worst of them all. We have seen in this country, and we have seen, but we have never seen a type like yours. So you have the shame, you have the effrontery, you have the headless shame to carry yourself and go to the same APC, the political party you have been castigating all your life just to gain followership in social media space. No wonder they said you are a cocaine addict. You have no principle, you have no value, you have nothing. Men like you are the problem we have in Nigeria. Femi Fani Kayode, men like you should be tied to the stick and killed for treasonable felony. For treason, because you are a worthless human being. You are the worst of all men, the worst anybody can think of. When they said sleeping with the enemy, you are an evidence, you are an epitome of sleeping with the enemy. Where are all the people you have been misleading? Sunday Igboho, Nnamdi Kanu, and the rest of them, and all your numerous followers that have been imbibing your hate speeches. It's a shame. It is so shameful that this party called APC could even accept you in their fold. Anyway, you are with your nuisance value. They just want to remove you from your too many noise making, to let the world know that you are a nobody, that really you are drug addicted, and without the drug you can't stay alive. So whatever will feed your drug addiction, you are there. Where is your shame now? Femi Fani Kayode, you are a disgrace to your people, disgrace to Nigeria, disgrace to this motherland called my country Nigeria. Wow, how can a man be so unprincipled? The worst of all unprincipled men is that name called Femi Fani Kayode. Shame on you, really a big shame on you. Big shame on you. You are the problems we have in this country. This is why Nigeria is where we are. So you can jump a boat. You can jump your boat from PDP, that is your heaven. You open your mouth filled with cocaine. That you will, instead of you to join APC, you would rather die. Now you are in the same APC. What manner of man are you? What do you think the world thinks of you? So you cannot stay without power for 1 minute, because the only industry you know in your life is politics, where free money is shared to you. Big disgrace. If I was related to you, I will disown you immediately, because you are not deserving of any person being associated with you. What a shame. I not blame yourself.